Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a team-based project that we use Dart to build the app. The app is a lending application to help small businesses to request funds from the investor. The application aims to facilitate the small businesses to help their financial problem. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the app, like how to create an account, log in, lend some money, and other things. So let's get started. So we can see over here, this is the welcome page. And if we push this button, it will send us to the login page. So first thing we're going to do is to register a new account. There are two roles, investor and UMKM or business owner. Let's start with the business owner. Okay, let's fill this information for our new account. And then press the button to continue. Okay, let's start login with our new account. And there you go. This is the dashboard for the business owner or the UMKM. The next step is to verify our account. We need to fill this information to able to use the feature in the application, like to lend money or request some money so we get the loan. And then confirm. As you can see, the profile image is updated to our photo. Let's see the information that we have filled earlier in the profile page. Next, let's fill our balance through Easy Dana button. And then we use transfer bank. And let's pick 500,000 rupiah and confirm. And the balance is updated on the dashboard. And if we go to wallet, there's a history that we top up our balance 500,000 rupiah. Now let's withdraw our money. The first thing we need to do is to add a bank account. Let's fill the information and then hit confirm. Now let's select the available bank account and then we withdraw our money 200,000 rupiah. As you can see, the balance is updated to 300,000 rupiah, and in the history there's a tarik saldo or a withdraw. Let's go try to loan some money. We need to push the button ajukan pinjaman, and then we need to fill this information for our loan so the investor know what are we going to do with the loan. There you go, our request is success and the status is open for investor, so the investor can lend us a loan. Now let's click the request so we can see the detailed information. And if we press pay, we cannot pay because the loan is still empty. Next, let's go to our request list of loans. And over here you can see our list of loans. For now we only have one, and we can only request a loan one at a time. If the loan hasn't been paid off, in the meantime you cannot request another loan. Now let's log out and go to the register again, and this time we choose the investor role. And we need to fill our information again, like we fill the information when we use the UMKM role. Okay, now the account is already verified. We can start by top up our balance like before in the UMKM, and maybe try to withdraw again, same as before. After that, let's go try to lend a loan to the UMKM. If we click this, we can see the information of the UMKM. And if you want to start a loan, we can press the Mulai Pendanaan. And here you can input how much you want to give. After you give the loan, it will disappear and it will move the loan to the portfolio. And here we can see the detail. The loan in the dashboard is disappeared because the total loan that KM requests is fulfilled. So it will disappear because there are no available requests left. And over here, you can see the history of the loan that the investor given to the UMKM. Now let's log out and see the UMKM account. As you can see, the status is changed to pending and you're able to pay the loan because it already fulfilled the Quest loan. And let's click pay. And you can see the balance is updated. Now let's head back to the investor account and see if the balance is updated. As you can see, the balance is updated from the pembayaran pinjaman or the loan payment. That's all for the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.